In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create a new survey using Surveymonkey. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Surveymonkey, this step-by-step guide will ensure you can quickly set up your survey to gather the valuable data you need. Let's get started by navigating to the Surveymonkey design interface. Once you open your web browser, type in surveymonkey.com and log in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. From here, click on the Create Survey option, which will direct you to the design section. This is where we'll lay the foundation for your new survey. As you arrive at the design section, you'll notice various options and templates that Surveymonkey offers to make your survey creation process as seamless as possible. Start by scrolling down the page. You're going to want to look for the New Page bar. This can usually be found just below the initial content on the page. Scrolling can sometimes feel like a bit of a hunt, but rest assured that the New Page bar is there to help you organize your survey into manageable sections. Once you see the New Page bar, go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll add a new page to your survey. This is particularly useful if you're planning to create a lengthy survey or want to separate different sections or topics for better clarity and flow. Think of each page as a separate chapter in a book, helping your respondents to focus on one thing at a time. After adding a new page, it's time to populate it with content. Look for the Add Content button, which is your ticket to filling these pages with questions, texts, or images. Essentially, all the components that will build the body of your survey. Click on it and you'll reveal a host of options that you can incorporate into your page. This is where the creative part begins. Now let's focus on adding the most essential component of your survey, the questions. On the newly added page, find the option to add a question, which you can do by clicking the Question tab. This step is crucial because ultimately the questions you ask will determine the quality of the data you gather. When designing questions, ensure they are clear, concise, and free of ambiguity to avoid any confusion amongst your respondents. And there you have it. We've just walked through some of the key steps in creating a survey using Surveymonkey. Remember, the design stage is all about making sure your survey is easy to navigate and understand, both for you and your respondents. A well-structured survey not only captures the data you need, but also provides a positive experience for those taking it. So take your time, review each page for clarity and flow, and soon you'll have a professional data gathering tool ready to deploy.